this is Nicki. You touch. And we're doing our start button video. Nicki's sloppy sometimes with her touching. She'll hit it with the side of her face, and so we're working on trying to zone in her softer touch. So right now we're going to be working on her touching the target, treat, click and treat, and then we're going to add in some brushing, which doesn't bother her, but it gets her used to the start button. Good. So the goal for this is to allow her to tell me when she's ready. So this is very basic with brushing, but it'll build into other things such as clipping with clippers and things that are scary. Good. Mounting from a mounting block. As you can see, she doesn't really care about this. Good. Good. So I can go all over her with brushing and actually have quite a delay. That was a good one. We're going to work all the way down, making sure that I'm bringing the food to her and not allowing her to reach back and grab it. Waiting for her to tell me to start again. That's the side of it. Hopefully we'll get her to touch the top of it. You touch. You touch. And I'm just going to click and treat there. She also gets real close to target that won't touch it. She tries to psych me out. Good. Good. So again, we'll start using this for other things such as mounting, using the clippers on her, anything that she doesn't like. We're going to allow her to tell me when to start and when she's ready. I clicked wrong on that one. We're going to switch to the other side. And she's getting zoned in on her target better at the top of her nose. Good. So Nicki loves her target. She's a very food motivated animal. We had a lot of problems at the beginning with her actually biting me and biting my hand. She got so excited. So you just used the method of extinction. I ignored it. Kept working with her as she got her answers fine-tuned. She's doing great now. Good. Do one more touch and click. Ooh, that was a good one. Good girl. So I'm going to give her a jackpot, an extra amount, knowing that we're done with this activity, and I'm going to walk away from her.